All right, here we go, new inventory. 2019 Ford Transit T350 extended high roof. This is a Wagon Tails Dyna Groom dog grooming conversion van. Again, this is a Wagon Tails conversion, professionally done at the Wagon Tails factory. It is the Dyna Groom model, 55,000 miles, clean Carfax. I'm going to run you through the entire van. It's ready to go. I'm going to show you everything and we'll go from there. So 2019 Ford Transit, 55,000 miles, clean Carfax, Wagon Tails conversion. Dog grooming setup, it's ready to go. It has a commercial Cummins generator. It has shore power connections. It has 3 max air vents. It has 2 dog grooming stations. Conditions pretty nice inside and out. Does show some normal wear and tear from when it was being used as a grooming van, of course. I'll point out anything and everything that I can find that you would want to see. The exterior shows beautifully. Very few little door dings here and there, nothing major. Overall, it's very nice. Give me a call if you have any questions. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. This is exactly how we got the van. We did not build this van, so we will provide all the info that we can, of course. We are familiar with these Wagon Tails conversions. This one does have all the manuals with it as well. Again, this is the Dyna Groom model. So as far as equipment goes and everything, I will show you everything that it has and what's here and what it comes with. 55,000 miles. Got your shore power hookups here. It does have the shore power adapter that comes with it. I will show you that. Got your freshwater connection. You got your tank, gray water tank, and it does have a brand new gray water hose. The tires are, I would say, better than 50%. They're in good shape. Does not need tires. You can jump in this thing and start working today. Everything seems to be working, operating the way it's supposed to. The generator fires right up. It's got all your stickers here, all your Wagon Tails stickers, and all the factory stickers as well. Front cockpit area is in nice shape. Got the owner's manual there. It does also have the Wagon Tails conversion manual that comes with it as well. 55,596 miles. There's no warning lights on. The van is running and driving exactly the way it's supposed to mechanically. The AC on. It's ice cold right now. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Text us. Visit our website. Give us a like. Give us a follow. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Really nice Wagon Tails conversion. We specialize in conversion vans, wheelchair vans, handicap vans, any specialty work vans, just like this one. So we're happy to help with any questions or concerns that you might have. Again, this is the Dyna conversion. So it has double stations. It has a station here, a workstation, and a second table. Again, this is how we have received the van. So any questions, I'm happy to help with what is here. You have the separation, the partition door. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Again, this belonged to a company. This does have the Norcold fridge option. This second station is an option. This is a pad that the previous owner put on here. So there's the table itself. Does show a little bit of wear on the corner of the table here. There's some normal wear and tear on the interior, just to be expected for the year and mileage. Obviously it was a work van, but overall it's very clean and nice. Got these nice LED lights up very well. Got all your outlets. Everything seems to work and power on the way it's supposed to. We have tried all of the systems and they do work. It does have all the hoses, everything for the super sudsor and the freshwater. The AC is working. The generator does fire right up. No issues here whatsoever. This is an adjustable table. Goes up, goes down. Does have the foot pedal hydraulic. That looks to be brand new. There's a lot of brand new parts that have come with it as well. So I can show you what it's got in the back. Everything is working and functioning that we know of. We tried. So like I said, the generator does fire right up and operate the way it's supposed to. I'll show you everything in the rear area here. Again, don't hesitate to give us a call. Happy to help with any questions you might have, any concerns. Got the wet dry vac. It has a brand new cool dry. This is a brand new cool dry vacuum. Brand new, right out of the box. Now inside the trash bin back here, you have the water hoses, water shooters, the shore power connection, have some shampoo that came with the cool dry vacuum. Got all these, got your water tank hose connection, got all your stuff in here. You got all your connections for your shop vac. Again, this is how we have received it as far as the equipment goes. If there's any other equipment that may have came with it, we don't know. This is exactly how we received the van. So everything's here, everything works the way it's supposed to. You got your power source, the AC fires right up. You got your generator down here. There's a Cummins. Factory installed. So it has been done right. It does fire right up. I fired it up earlier today. It starts just the way it's supposed to. Like I said, there's no issues that we know of. All the equipment's working, all the fans were working, the AC was working, the water pumps were working. Everything was functioning and operating the way it's supposed to. So happy to help with any questions you might have as far as everything goes. We have pictures of every angle of this van. It's in very nice shape. Nothing outside of what I pointed out. As you can see, it's very nice. 55,000 miles, clean Carfax. The fridge has a couple of scratches on the door, and there's some minor wear and tear on the interior, of course, just from normal use. Like I said, probably the worst part is the corner of that tabletop. The rest of it's in pretty good shape, as you can see. It's got all your cabinets, everything there. The van also comes with a bunch of extra hinges, screws, whatever, parts, hoses, all the stuff that it's supposed to have. The cool dry hose, all the stuff that it's supposed to have. It is with the van. The way we got it, as you see it, that's the way it is. So don't hesitate to give us a call. Happy to help you anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net, 954-561-2499. Call or text. Thank you.